Hi guys, good evening. Just watch this video. This lady here, she's an Igbo girl born in America, raised in America. She has an Igbo name, but she doesn't know the meaning of her name. She couldn't even pronounce her name very well. My people, what is wrong with us? What is wrong with Igbo people? Why are we not taking our culture seriously? Why are we not taking it seriously? What is wrong with us? Yoruba people, wherever they are, they will be speaking their language. Anything, if you see them anywhere they are, they speak their language. But Igbo people, our own, we are bringing our Igbo down. Our children are forgetting our culture. Look at a grown-up lady. She doesn't know her Igbo name. She doesn't know how to pronounce it. She doesn't know the meaning. It's also the fault of the parents, because if the parents had told her the meaning of this name, this girl would have loved it. You have an Igbo name, you don't know the meaning, because she doesn't know the meaning. That's why she left it. She doesn't even care. That Chi is Chi not in your passport. At least to pronounce your name the way you pronounce it. Chi, she couldn't pronounce it to the end. It's a shameful thing. Just watch this video. Child, Igbo people, try. Let us try. So many people made this mistake with their children, especially in abroad, even in Nigeria too. But please, the ones that are having babies now, please, name your child your Igbo name. Let Igbo name be their first name. Don't change, don't put Oyibo name. Oyibo, they just use those. Just remove that Oyibo name. Put Igbo name and tell the children the meaning of that name so that they'll be proud of it. Because if this girl had known the meaning of this name, she would have loved to bear it, to answer it, for people to call her the name. She would have been proud of it. But she didn't know the name. Maybe she thinks it's a name of an animal in Nigeria. Just watch this video.
Oh, you watch with your phone and television everywhere?
At the same time.
Is that true?
That's true. That's true.
Were you born in US?
Yes.
What is your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. What is your Igbo name?
Chuku.
Eh?
Chinyere.
Hey! How many times have you been in Nigeria?
This is my third time.
3 times. What part of US were you born?
Texas.
Texas. Oh, you're supposed to be answering your native name. I know your English name is Stephanie, right?
Yes.
If you go to US, be answering that Igbo name. What is that? What is her Igbo name?
Chinyere.
Chinyere. Do you know the meaning of Chinyere? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Lekwenumo. It is not her fault, it's your fault. You're supposed to be teaching her language. Even the meaning of her Igbo name, she don't know. It's very wrong. Chinyere. Chinyere simply means God's gifts. And it's good to be whom you are. You are an Igbo. You have Igbo father, Igbo mother. You are 100% Igbo. So it's good to understand your culture, whom you are, the meaning of your name, where you come from. Which state do you come from?
Texas.
Here in Nigeria, which state?
Oh, Imo State.
Imo. We are in Imo.
Margaret. I don't know. MBC.
Oh. I'm going to make sure you get married to an Igbo man. You don't want to marry Igbo man?
Yeah, I do.
No, you just want to please the people. Oh. Okay. I would like to see you and talk to you and your mom. God bless you. You're a beautiful person. Very wonderful. So intelligent. You look so good. But I want you to know more of your language. You're welcome here. You see your first time of coming to Zion? See, everybody here love you. They are your siblings. They love you. They celebrate you. You see how everybody's clapping for you? You see, oh yeah, do like this to them now. So God bless you. We celebrate you.